Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Mkono plastic planters. The matte Classico color finish adds a subtle but elegant touch to the pots. You might like them if you don't want any heavy designs on your pots. The best type of pot for snake plants is one with a minimalist design, as opposed to the others. It also has a glossy layer on it. And it appears to be both stylish and durable. The pots are small and light. As a result, transporting it from one location to another becomes easier. The material is environmentally friendly. The cleaning procedure is simple. You can improve the appearance of your garden, office, home, or any other location. It's a nice one, and it's also the best type of snake plant pot you can get. Designed with a matte Classico color finishing exterior in soft, round shape, the plastic planters can bring out a modern stylish visual representation for your beloved plants while blending in with your home office decor. Glossy interior for easy cleaning or replanting is an additional attraction. It can be an impressive gardening gift. Not only comes with a drill hole in the bottom for drainage to help prolong the life of your precious plants, but also goes with detachable saucers to catch excess water. Besides, matching rubber plugs can be installed to block water and soil, perfect for hanging up with macrame hangers. Your choice for flexible use. Number 2 in this best pot for snake plant list is Plant Pot Cylinder Ceramic Planters. This plant pot is designed to grow petite plants or display artificial plants, like spider plants, air plants, succulents, herbs, ferns, which adds a lively and fresh look to your space. With the white color pots, any place looks amazing and glowing. This pot set is ideal for snake plants if you're looking for the best shaped pot. Because of its standard size, it can be placed in any room of your home. It is also appropriate for deep-rooted plants such as herbs, snake plants, and a variety of others. Ceramic pots of excellent quality are used. Kaolin is used to make the ceramic. As a result, the pot is quite sturdy. A saucer is included, as well as a drainage hole. As a result, it can prevent soil blockage and reduce water runoff. As a result, the pot will last a long time. This is a medium-sized planter for succulent plant. They are more suitable for root depth plant and plant likes little aloe, snake plant seedling. Attached saucer helps to minimize water runoff, and there is a little seam in the bottom of the pot to connect the saucer and pot for necessary drainage. Our third pick is DEMACIYA plant pots. These plant pots come with drainage holes and saucers for excess water flow out, the soil aerated and ventilated, your plants growing up thrive. And the trays are detachable, clockwise for lock, open by counterclockwise, catch excess water, nothing to worry about water leaking out and damaging your floor. These planters are made of high-quality plastic, thick sidewalls from 2 mm to 3 mm in size keep everything in place, lightweight and durable, unable to deform or break, for indoor and outdoor use in all types of weather. A simple modern aesthetic and clean matte finish pots for indoor plants will perfectly match any decor. The light brown rounded trays contrast beautifully with the white or black plant pot for a high-end look, a great decorative to your home office and garden. You will get 2 plastic planters for indoor plants, 8-inch in opening diameter, 6.8-inch bottom diameter, 7.5-inch in height, fit nearly all small to medium-sized indoor house plants and herb spice gardens. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best pot for snake plant list is HBServices Deep Reservoir Round Plant Pot. The bottom saucer is designed with risers that lift it away from your floor and to prevent circular water stains typical of other flat-bottomed planters. No need to keep poking holes in your soil. Integrated into the body of the planter are additional large open slats on the bottom that are designed to maintain air circulation through the soil, minimizing the risk of root rot commonly found in more enclosed self-watering planters. Troublesome wicks that clog and stop working. Our patented design integrates a self-watering feature into the body of the planter. Hollow legs reach down into the reservoir to allow the soil itself to draw moisture naturally while lifting your plant above the water, keeping its delicate root system from being constantly flooded, minimizing upkeep while eliminating common problems associated with other planters and with overwatering. Each planter comes with an easy-to-use clip-on attachment for easy watering. Fill up the deep reservoir directly instead of pouring through the planter and risking an overflow. Leave it on, or use when needed to maintain a sleek modern look. Last in this list is Greenaholic ceramic plant pots. If you want a retro vibe with your plants, you can use this plant pot set in your desired place. It comes in a standard size that will work with any snake plant. It is thought to be the best size pot for a snake plant. In this package, you will find 2 plants. The smaller one has a diameter of 5 inches, while the medium one has a diameter of 6 inches. You can put it in any room of your house, including your office, bedroom, kitchen, or living room. It blends in nicely with the atmosphere of the room. This one is made of high-quality ceramic. It is well baked at high temperatures, resulting in a long-lasting product. The vibrant colors are long-lasting. It is an excellent option to give your close one as a gift. If he is a plant lover, this is the most durable and elegant gift he could ever receive. The retro vibe has the ability to completely transform the look of that area. Then they will love these cute pots for succulent, aloe or snake plant. They make a great gift for a housewarming party, for birthdays or any other special occasions.